Hello, language learners, and welcome back to Idiom IQ. Today, we've got a lesson that's going to elevate your English skills to the next level. Today, I'm going to explain some idioms to you. We're going to look at the examples, so hopefully by the end of this video, you will have learned 20 colorful idioms that you can use when speaking English. So if you're interested, continue watching this video up to the very end. But before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy my content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Let's dive into our first idiom, green with envy, meaning very jealous. When to use: when someone is jealous of what another person has. Example: Sarah was green with envy when she saw Emily's new car. Next is out of the blue, meaning unexpectedly. When to use: when something surprising happens without warning. Example: my old friend called me out of the blue yesterday. Another is white lie, meaning a harmless or small lie. When to use: when you tell a small lie to avoid hurting someone's feelings. Example: I told a white lie and said I liked her dress just to make her happy. Another colorful idiom is red tape, meaning excessive rules and paperwork. When to use: when there are too many bureaucratic steps to do something. Example: I want to open a shop, but the red tape is making it difficult. Next is in the pink, meaning in good health. When to use: when someone is feeling particularly well or healthy. Example: after recovering from the flu, I'm back in the pink. Another is black sheep, meaning an outcast. When to use: when someone doesn't fit into a group or family. Example: he's the black sheep of the family. He never comes to any gatherings. Another is yellow-bellied, meaning cowardly. When to use: when someone is too afraid to do something. Example: he was too yellow-bellied to stand up to the bully. We have another colorful idiom, blue-blooded, meaning of noble or royal birth. When to use: when describing someone from a prestigious or wealthy family. Example: she's blue-blooded, a descendant of European royalty. Next is gold digger, meaning someone who is interested in a relationship for money. When to use: when someone is only dating another person for financial gain. Example: she's a gold digger, only interested in his bank account. Another is caught red-handed, meaning caught in the act of doing something wrong. When to use: when someone is found doing something bad. Example: he was caught red-handed stealing cookies from the jar. There's more. Paint the town red, meaning to go out and have an exciting, fun time. When to use: when planning a lively night out. Example: let's paint the town red tonight. Another is feeling blue, meaning feeling sad or depressed. When to use: when you're not feeling happy. Example: I've been feeling blue ever since my dog ran away. Next is see red, meaning to become very angry. When to use: when something really angers you. Example: when she insulted me, I saw red. Another is gray area, meaning something not clear or defined. When to use: when a situation isn't black or white, it's complicated. Example, the rules about using the community center are a gray area. We have another idiom, white collar, meaning relating to office or desk jobs. When to use, when talking about jobs that aren't manual labor. Example, he has a white-collar job as an accountant. Another is green thumb, meaning good at gardening. When to use, when someone is skilled at growing plants. Example, my grandmother has a green thumb. Her garden is amazing. Next is tickled pink, meaning very pleased or happy. When to use, when you're delighted about something. Example, I was tickled pink to get the promotion. Another is golden opportunity, meaning a perfect chance to do something great. When to use, when an amazing opportunity comes along. Example, this job interview is a golden opportunity for you. There's another colorful idiom which is brown-noser, meaning someone who flatters others to gain favor. When to use, when someone is sucking up to authority figures. Example, he's such a brown-noser, he brought the boss coffee again. And the last idiom for today's video is silver lining, meaning a positive aspect in a bad situation. When to use, when you're trying to look on the bright side of things. Example, the silver lining of losing my job is that I can spend more time with my family. That concludes our lesson on these insightful idioms involving colors. These are versatile phrases that you'll encounter frequently in English conversations, so mastering them is a valuable skill. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep exploring the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions here at Idiom IQ. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more language tips and idiomatic adventures. Until next time, take care and happy learning!